Hi, it's Jeff here with Mike Roseman RV in Vernon, BC. Today I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of this Vibe Extreme Lite by Forest River, model 224RLS. This comes equipped with power tongue jack, power stabilizers, and power awning. They're all aluminum frame, nice lightweight. Huge pass-through storage in these. And we have the spread axle design there, distributing the weight a little more evenly over your hitch weight. Quick look inside here. This does have one slide out with a dinette on the slide. Rear couch with a nice big view window at the back. It is a tri-fold couch, turns into a bed. Lots of counter space. And some nice touches, LED lights under your counter. USB ports throughout the trailer. Nice flush glass stovetop. Stainless steel appliances. CD, DVD player, TV. Nice thing about these trailers is they are nice and bright inside. It's not a very dark tint on the window at all, so it really brightens them up. We'll take a look in the bathroom here. Gives you a bit of an ensuite into the bedroom. Nice big corner glass shower. And take a look in the bedroom here. Queen size bed. Storage up top and on both sides. USB outlets. Both sides on top of the bed. And we've got a solid bedroom door there. Little closet by the front door. If you have any questions about this unit, please feel free to give us a call or send us an email at Mike Roseman RV. That's rosemanrv.com.